Okay, let's face it. Most people leave their jobs because they can't stand their boss, they can't stand their teammates, they can't stand the current job that they're at. It's toxic, they're upset every single day, it's ruining their mental health, and that's why most people are leaving their current jobs. But here's the thing, if you go on an interview and they ask you, why are you leaving your current job? And you say, oh my goodness, my boss, I can't stand my boss. My boss is a micromanager. They do this, this, this. You are not getting that job. Okay. It is so important, no matter how toxic the environment is that you work in, that you do not badmouth your current employer. And here's the reason why. So, number one, they are not in that situation. So they don't know what's really going on, and you don't want to give any indication that it can be you, right? That the reason that the work environment and the relationships are poor is because of you. Okay. Number two is that they're concerned that you might go ahead and start bad mouthing them if for any reason you don't like this work environment. Okay, so it's really, really important to make sure that you are not bad mouthing the previous employer. So, here, true story, you're going to love this one. I was working with a client, and she told me that the first job that she was at, everybody was nasty to her. She had to leave that job. I'm like, oh, I'm so sorry that happened to you. She said, then the second job, everybody was just horrible. I had to leave that job. Everybody was horrible. I'm like, oh, wow, that's too bad. Then she said to me, and the third job, and now you see what's happening, right? Like three strikes and you're out. I mean, when it hits that every single job you've ever had, three in a row, that none of them work out and nobody likes you anywhere, it's time to look in the mirror, right? It's time to reflect. So they are concerned that if you're bad mouthing your previous boss, that the problem might be you. Right? So when you're looking to leave your job, I want you always to be professional. I want you to say, I'm so proud to have been able to work at this company and achieve X, Y, and Z. And now I'm looking to reach new levels in my career. I'm looking to do this, 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 and I'd love to bring this to and list the name of that company, right? So the biggest mistake you can make is to talk poorly about your current company. And the most positive thing that you can do is put a spin on that and talk about everything that you're proud that you've been able to do. Because, by the way, you can be in an uncomfortable environment and you could still have done fantastic work and accomplished great things. And we are looking to showcase that and what you're going to bring to us coming forward. Got that? Okay. I know it's rough, right? I'm going to put a playlist right here of interview questions so that you can prepare yourself for your next interview. And I would love to work with you. My name is Cindy. I empower transitioning teachers, career changers, and those returning to the workforce to find amazing jobs that match their current why. Let's schedule a free 45-minute discovery call to talk about how I can help you to find your next best job. I hope you have a super productive week. Always remember you're a warrior. I'll catch you next time. Have a good one. Bye bye.